Welcome students, this is Module 1, Keys for Success at Work, Unit 1. Write a plan a conversation, role play with a family member, friend, and community to ultimately work on a final conversation for your work settings. You will write an outline first, then think of a topic sentence of conversation, and write your main idea. What is the purpose of the conversation? Then formulate details or examples to add evidence before beginning a conversation. This means preparing yourself before you do the conversation and act it out in your work. Next, understand how to apply expressive tones, rhythms, and body language. What I mean by this is the tones, your voice when you ask a question has to be strong at the beginning and strong at the end. So the question will ask a specific information and the listener can listen to your voice in your final statement. Next, your rhythm. Your tone has to be up and down as a song, going to working as a planned conversation, not an improvised conversation, that is. Your body language has to be formal and specific to what you're conveying in your conversation. Next, add new words to written or spoken vocabulary. Do not repeat the same questions or the same words. Vary it. Express in writing and verbally better with friends, work, and community. This will gain your confidence to work in your conversation when you're ready to speak at your job setting. This will be possible when you do all the assignments, and I would like for you to participate in online discussions prior to assigning the group conversations so you can all collaborate and see the ideas of all your classmates. As students, you can share conversations that you have most difficulty doing at work, and that will give you some ideas. Speak in daily basis by using chat tool in Canvas. You can imagine the variety of conversations you can work with and choose the best one you like. Eventually, I will present information through readings, narrating PowerPoint videos, and demonstrations so you have a clear idea of what to do. And you can put your ideas to practice, own ideas. These will be examples to express your own thoughts and conversation depending on your job setting and conversations you might have with your coworkers or supervisors. The quizzes and discussion in order to make sure you are understanding what the project is about or in the unit details. I will further clarify all the key points of the assignment by making a checklist so all can collaborate and see everybody's ideas. Also, through a wiki, a conversation can be narrowed down even more so. Then when you have your conversation ready, you write a script. In order, could be the topic of the conversation, then the speaker A, speaker B. Then when you are ready, you can record it and send it to me. I will comment on the clarity and the word choice. I will have you post the recorded conversations in the discussion board and be open for comments. That means our classmates can comment on that. I can comment, and you'll have a better idea how to go about that conversation. And when you practice it or you can use it at your job, you'll be just fine. I will have students also, I will have you demonstrate learning through a variety of methods. Creative writing, so I can see your word choice, Canvas chat, your discussions, debates with wiki and video and uploading. Then lastly, to upload it to YouTube, so you can see yourself and in a video form, and listen to your voice and your presentation skills. Lastly, I will collaborate with you, making positive comments about your video and conversations, and you delegate about that, and you see what you can change and what you can keep. Later, I will make further suggestions to utilize this conversation in your daily life, living, and what settings could be best set. I hope you have a wonderful experience, and I'll be here with all the contact information and answer any questions to guide you well through this assignment. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next post.